It's on. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my God. In this video, I am going to do a little unboxing with you guys. I am so excited to get this. I've been eyeing this for over a year now, and I would always look at it, put it in a cart, look at some reviews on it, and tell myself, Chanel, you need to get it. You need to get it. But then I'll be like, oh, I don't want to spend that money. Then I'll go on Amazon and just order the Febreze plugins. I'll get another candle, and that'll just cycle me through, the thought process again. I wanted to order it because when I was looking up all of the carcinogens that come out of, lighting candles all the time, all of the chemicals that's coming out of the little plugins, and how it's not good for the environment, it's not good for your house. You are actually slowly killing yourself with all the toxins. So if I'm trying to get rid of toxins other way, I'm trying to eat better, I'm taking care better of myself. I'm not saying I'm perfect, but I am trying. I also need to worry about the quality of the air in my house, right? I do have mini splits in the house, and I do clean those filters often. So I wanted to, and I like my house to smell good, right? So I wanted to finally invest in a Mini Pro, the Aroma360. So I'm going to open it with you guys so you guys can see what it looks like, and we're gonna experience this together. It says, experience serene luxury with the exquisite scent of our Mini Pro Scent Diffuser, transforming any space into a tranquil haven. So I'm going to actually put this in my living room. Okay, I'm not gonna leave it in my bedroom. We'll put it in the living room. And I got the mini one because I think that's what I need, right? The customer care had called me and they were trying to upsell me to like the large one. But I said I wanted to stick to this and see how it is first, and if anything, then I'll upgrade after that. So in the box, it comes with this. Scan here for a how-to-do video on how to use your Mini Pro. So it comes with this little thing where you could scan it to see how to use it. And it also comes with a guide, instruction, and care manual. Mini Pro cord. Here it is. Really nice and sleek. In the back, it has where you plug it in. And it comes with a little remote. This is what it looks like in the box, how it came, where it came in. So first thing it says, to unlock your Mini Pro, firmly hold the base of the device and rotate the diffuser head counterclockwise. So that's this part, right? Now that's out. 2, with your Pro Pod fragrance oil bottle, screw the bottle into the bottom of the diffuser. I'm guessing that's this. Let's open this up. It is. Thank you. So, guess which scent I got? My Way, of course. This is the My Way. Screw the bottom into the bottom of the diffuser head. Oops. Attach the diffuser head to the base and secure it by rotating the unit clockwise until it locks. Okay, did that. Make sure the bottle is screwed in tight and parallel to the top half of the Mini Pro. which I think it is, right? Look at it. Mini Pro LED color key. So the blue LED light indicates the device is powered on. Okay, the green indicates the scent is being diffused. The red flashes when any button on the remote control is being pressed. And then it has where the remote functions are. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh my God. I shut it off with this. See, it's on. Keep hold on the button to control the LED light. Flashes for an additional 2 seconds. Once the LED light has flashed accordingly, synchronization is complete. That's it. You can now use the remote control to control the diffuser. Oh, so you see, when I pressed it to medium, it went red first. Yeah, because it was being processed. Pressing low. Process now it's on low. We're going to see how this goes, and we're going to see how often I have to change it. I did do the subscription where once a month, like they send me a new one once a month. So I need my house to smell good. So this is the one for the house, which I'm excited for. So that's that. And then I also got, because child, I had to, Aroma360 for the car. So I'm so excited to have this because I was doing the plugins for the car too, and listen, this smells so good. I love this smell. I like a nice clean smell. It's such a nice clean woodsy, this is my type of smell. I don't like fruity smells. I like something nice, clean, like elegant. Ooh, so good. Guys, luxury scenting, it really is. Listen, I work hard. I want my luxury scenting. So here is the one for the car. Came in this little thingy-majiggy. So I guess it's to make it stick in the cup holder. These little black things to make it not move around. Came with this plug. And then plug this into the car port. Take off this top here. I don't even know why I'm doing that when I didn't even read the directions. This is my problem. I don't like reading directions. Before using, please read all the instructions. While your diffuser is powered off, unscrew the bottom metal cover. See, this is my problem. I didn't do that. The bottom metal cover. Unscrew the smart car diffuser refill bottle by turning counterclockwise. That's this part. Let me unscrew it. So it already came with this cotton part. They said to put it in, but it already came with that. Okay, so the nose at the bottom, there's like different 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little dots. And I'm guessing, yep. You press how intense you want it. Excited to use it in the car. Alright guys, so this is the Aroma360 that I have in the car. I am loving it. I had it and used it for the whole week. At first, didn't really pay attention to how to use it. And now I feel like I'm a pro. Basically, you have to just make sure that you have it to the strength that you want it. So I usually leave it at either 1 or 2, and that's good enough for my whole car. I drive a Dodge Hornet, so it's a mid-sized car, nothing too big, nothing too small. And that is it. It smells so good. It makes me feel so good. It's so calming. I truly enjoy it, and I am glad I purchased this. Great purchase. Like, you know, when you buy that favorite shoe or favorite bag and you just really excited about it, that is exactly how I feel about the Aroma360. Okay. Hey guys, this is my unboxing of my Aroma360. I will be back within the month so that you guys know how it lasted and how it, you know, well, if I'll need to upgrade to the large one for my house, because I do want this in the living room. So I'm gonna let you guys know how that's going. But I'm so excited. I love the smell. Oh yes, and as well, I did get the Aroma360 My Way spray for my room. It's a room spray. So it's so good. So I'm all my weight out. Okay, it's all my weight out. But I love scents. I love how it makes me feel. One thing about me, if I work hard, certain things I'm just going to enjoy it. And that's it. If I do my DIY, I do my own hair, I do my own nails, where I save my money, I could put it towards other things, and this is one of them. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.